how to set up Discord rules verification. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's short video, I'm going to show you how to set up a rules verification system in your Discord server using Discord rules screening feature. Now let's get started. First, navigate to your server settings. Click on your server name at the top left corner and then select server settings. Once you're on the server settings page, look for the tab called access. Click on that. Once the access screen, you will see an option that says server rules member must agree to the rules before they can chat or interact. Go ahead and turn the settings on. Now, you can input the rules that you want your members to agree to. Make sure they are clear and concise. When a new user joins your server, they will be greeted with a screen where they must have a verified email on their Discord account. Then they will need to follow the following rules. And that's it. You have successfully set up rule screening in your Discord server. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.